you can't even see it.
Okay.
Look how hard this is.
You have to say what you're doing so that I know.
You don't need to.
Yeah, that way I'll know what to do. What is this for?
You're stretching on your knee stays here, and then your other leg goes back.
Okay.
Now you gotta switch.
Okay.
And then you put your other leg very far.
Show me how to do a man push-up so that way next time when I try, I know how to do it. I thought you were supposed to have your head down like that.
No. You gotta go like that and face the master. Now what we're gonna do is mountain climbers.
That looks hard.
That was 20.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do squat thrusts.
Okay, squash thrusts.
You're gonna.
No, it's okay because I can see you jumping when your feet come off the ground. I know you're jumping. Here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now what?
I do 10 of those. Now we're gonna do jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're doing crunches.
Okay.
Go like this, cross your legs.
Okay.
You go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're doing squats. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
You're not going down
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you're not right.
Okay. Is that it?